what is MB's theme or key focus area that you are communicating to the visitors out here?
Well, the most important things for us is to inform that we have the advantages with our products. And one of the most important advantages is the fact that we are the European quality company. We're based in Poland, but the thing is that we've just opened the company production manufacturing in Jamnagar in Gujarat. So that means that this is the advantage because we can produce here, deliver here, and actually keep the stock here for all the customers. So this is what we're saying. And also, there's this one thing that we say to the customers, that there is the European quality combined with the Indian feeling that we have due to the fact that we've got the company together with the Indian guy.
Wonderful. Could you highlight more about what are the products and the solutions that you are showcasing out here?
We specialize in the fittings to braking and air suspension systems of the commercial vehicles. And we deliver to the whole world except India, and this is why we're here. So that's why we're coming here, and this is why we want to offer all those products. We are in touch with the trailer manufacturers, semi-trailer. We are in touch with the OEMs like the trucks, buses, etc.
Are some of the mega trends like the total turnaround time or the faster turnaround time, optimizing the asset that the fleet operators have, the end users have, electrification, lightweighting relevant to you? How are you working on that?
Because what we take care of is the weight of the truck, of the trailer, of everything that we deliver to. So our fittings are much smaller than the competitors due to the fact that they're made of brass. The weight is very important. And as we know, everyone wants to go this direction. You don't want to have very heavy trucks. So that's one thing that and then optimization of the weight, but also optimization of the whole system, the air suspension, the air braking system. And this is how we concentrate on.
You touched upon a very important point in the trailer segment. Another important things in that are the braking and the coupling. Anything on that line that you have?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That for example, the new product that we have, the coupling that connects the truck with the trailer. This was just awarded the best innovative product in IAA exhibition in Germany. So this is something that is really important for us because what we offer, we do not copy any products. We have our own know-how, our laboratory, production, and R&D, of course. So each time we produce something, we already patented because we want to supply only our know-how and something which is innovative.
And apart from India, now that you have just started in India, which are the regions or markets across the world that you are strong in?
Actually, we are very strong in Europe. We're strong in also a bit in China, but not much. China, Brazil, we deliver to the whole world, as I said. But I would say Europe, we're the strongest, especially Germany, which is actually the beginning of automotive, I would say, in Europe. So there are a lot of our customers there. We just opened in Germany our headquarters. We have the representative, so that shows how much the market is important for us.
Correct. And the whole industry, the automotive industry and the world in general, is coming back on its feet post the pandemic. How has been the performance for your company in the last 2 years, and what is the outlook for 2023 and beyond?
As you know, 2020 was a disaster, but we actually managed to survive, and we even had some little profit. But in 2022, so last year was the best year we ever had with a profit, but what's the most important, due to this profit, we could invest in different regions and we could invest also in our machinery, etc. What I would say for this year, it's going to be like, I see all the companies are afraid of the first quarter of this year. They're like on standby, waiting what's going to happen. I'm talking about Europe mostly. So we are just waiting for them, but to be honest, we do not really panic because I think, this is the family business that I own. So you need to look long-term view, not just here and now the profit for the next first, second, third quarter. So I'm quite stable about that, and I would not be afraid what's going to happen.
Okay. And lastly, some words on your R&D or manufacturing strength in Europe as well as in India. How many lines do you have? How much can you produce per month?
Well, basically, what we're planning to do and what we're doing right now is very simple. This is how we've been existing also in Europe. When we have a customer, we invest to the customer in a sense that you do not put all the machines before you have a contract. This is, but on the other hand, right now we're living in such a world that you can invest into machine today and get it tomorrow.
Yeah.
So that's not the problem. You don't need to put all the machines and wait for the customer. And this gives you a kind of, first of all, cost cut, but second of all, cost control. And this is how we do. So when you're talking about how much we can produce, as much as the customer wants, because you can put more machines into it, and that's it. You need to have the know-how. You need to have a good R&D. This is what we have. We're also planning to have R&D here, just in the process of recruiting people. We want our engineers to work here for the customers, so they give support.